English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. They traveled car last weekend. How much does a coffee cost you? Robots will work humans in the future. The teacher wrote the topic the board. The hero fought bravely the dragon. People will live Mars one day. He sat quietly her during the movie. The baby is sleeping the sofa. The students are talking their project. We have English class Monday. The elevator is I'm speaking my colleagues. Your email. Here are my comments. The decision was made careful consideration. We continued the hike the bad weather. He completed the task his own initiative. She did everything the rules. The manager acted the company's interests. Her experience, she was chosen for the role. He is never dash money at the end of the month. Dash unforeseen circumstances, the flight was delayed. Dash a few errors, the report is perfect. Dash the rules, you must submit the form. She works late, dash the demands of her job. Dash your opinion, what should we do next? How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.